Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to buy the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, or VTI for short. If you're new to investing or just want to diversify your portfolio with a simple, low-cost option, this video is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is VTI? It's an exchange-traded fund, ETF, from Vanguard that tracks the entire US stock market. Think of it as a basket of thousands of stocks, from big tech giants to everyday companies, all wrapped up in one easy-to-buy package. One of the biggest perks is its super low expense ratio, around 0.03%, which means more of your money stays invested and works for you over time. Now, let's get to the main event: how to actually buy it. Step 1 is to open a brokerage account. If you don't have one, platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood are great starting points. They're user-friendly and often have zero commission trades for ETFs like VTI. Once your account is set up, verify your identity and link a bank account to fund it. This usually takes a few days, so plan ahead. Step 2. Deposit funds into your brokerage account. You can transfer money from your bank or even set up automatic deposits. Next, search for VTI in the trading section of your platform. Double-check that it's the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF to avoid any mix-ups. Step 3. Place your order. Decide how much you want to invest. Remember, you can start small and choose between a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order for a specific price. After you confirm, your shares will be in your account almost instantly during market hours. Finally, don't forget to monitor your investment. Set up alerts and review your portfolio periodically, but avoid knee-jerk reactions to market fluctuations. VTI is designed for long-term growth, so think of it as a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. There you have it. Buying VTI is easier than you might think. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.